Alright, got a train. See me at the crossing. It's gonna haul ass through here. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that, but still, it's gonna haul some ass. Look at that train. It's a double stack train. Alright, I better get down. It's gonna go. It's coming already. Ugh. Look. It's coming. Uh-oh. There go the crossings. Whoo, it's gonna be fast. That was Solo CN 2329. That was kind of a shorter intermodal train. Solo Canadian National ES44AC 2329. Still red. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.